Subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates.
Hi, in this video today I am going to show you how to install IIS Internet Information Service and host a website locally on Windows 11 computer step by step. Okay, so now let's start it. To host website locally on Windows PC, first you have to install IIS Internet Information Service on the PC. To install IIS, open Control Panel. Under the programs, click on Uninstall a program. In this screen, click on Turn Windows features on or off. You can see here we have an option Internet Information Service. So now click on plus icon to expand. Now under Internet Information Service, you have to select all of the things under Web Management Tools and World Wide Web Services. Be sure all the options should be marked as right sign. If any option it is showing dash sign, that means some of the options under that menu is not selected. So select all the options to avoid any problem in future. Then click OK. Then it will start installation process of IIS. Okay, so the installation is done. Just click on close. To check our installation is successful, we just need to open IIS Manager. To open, go to Start and search for IIS. Then click on Internet Information Service Manager. In IIS Manager, left side of the screen, you can see host name of your PC. Click on arrow to expand. Under that expanded sites, now you can see default website already hosted. Right click on default website, then go to manage website and then click on browse. So right now you can see that Internet Information Service default website is running. To host a new website, go to IIS Manager. Right click on sites and select add website. In this add website window, in the site name field, type your website name. Currently I am giving testwebsite.com. In physical path, you have to select your website root folder. I am selecting the website here. I have already created one HTML page with name homepage.html. In hostname text box, type website name same as site name. Then click OK. You can see website is created with name testwebsite.com. Now click on Browse website. Okay, it is not opening because website checking for the DNS records with name testwebsite.com. But it is not registered on DNS server. So you have to create temporary DNS record or host entry for that. To do that, go to Start, search for Notepad and select Run as Administrator. In the Notepad, go to File menu and select Open. Now browse the path C, Windows, System32, drivers and etc. Then select all file types to see all files available in this folder. Now select host files, then click open. Here first you have to enter IP address of your PC. Press tab button on the keyboard and type website name which you have hosted. Save the file and browse the website again. Now it is showing HTTP error 403.14 and reason is a default document is not configured for requested URL. To set default page again, go to IIS Manager, select your website and open default document option. In this window, click on Add. Mention your home page file name with extension. My default page name is homepage.html. Now click OK. Let's browse website again. Now we are able to open the website on browser. Like this, you can host multiple websites with different name on same PC. So I hope this tutorial very helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.